Unit rate. After watching this video, you will learn define ratio, equivalent ratio, rate and unit rate. Find unit rate. Let's see what is ratio. A ratio is a comparison of two quantities. It can be part to part comparison or part to whole or whole to part. Ratios may or may not include units. Look at this figure. You can see 2 cats and 6 dogs. I will show you the different ways to write this in ratio form. 2 cats to 6 dogs, 1 cat for every 3 dogs, 3 dogs per 1 cat, 3 dogs for each cat, 3 dogs out of every 4 pets, 2 cats out of 8 pets. In algebra, the ratio of A to B can be written as A is to B. Another way to write ratio are A over B and A to B. Let's see equivalent ratios. Two ratios are equivalent if they have the same relationship. What does that mean? Look at this example. Here the ratios are 1 is to 3 and 2 is to 6. If you multiply 1 is to 3 by 2, you will get 2 is to 6. Or if you divide 2 is to 6 by 2, you will get 1 is to 3. That means these two ratios are equivalent. In algebra, two ratios A is to B and C is to D are equivalent when there exists a positive number n such that A times n equal to C and B times n equal to D. In this case, 2 is the n. If two ratios are equivalent, we also call them as proportion. What is it? Proportion. Let's see what is rate. A rate is a ratio of two quantities using different units. Let's see some examples. 100 km per hour. Here we are comparing distance and time. They are different units. So this is an example for rate. Let's see one more. $60 for 5 bags. So you are comparing the price and number of bags. Again, they are different units, so it comes under rate. Let's see what is unit rate. Unit rate compares a quantity to 1 unit of another quantity. What does that mean? You are talking about for one item or for one unit. Let's see an example. Look at this figure. You can see 3 pizza, it costs $27. So unit rate means for one pizza how much it will be. How will you find that one? You need to divide by 3. So 27 divided by 3 it will be 9. 3 divided by 3 it is 1. So it will be 9 is to 1. What does that mean? It means for one pizza it is $9. This is what unit rate means. In algebra, if rate is A is to B, then you need to make the second unit 1. So you need to divide both by B. So it will be A over B is to 1. Let's see some questions related to unit rate. Find the unit rate. A train travels 60 miles in 2 hours. What does that mean? You need to find for 1 hour how many kilometers the train will travel. So how will you do that? You need to take it as ratio. So 60 divided by 2. Now you need to make the denominator 1, which means you need to divide the denominator by 2. So divide by 2, divide by 2. which will be equal to 30 over 1. Now the second quantity is 1, which means you got the unit rate. How will you write the final answer? It means 30 miles per hour. Let's see another question. There are 496 calories in 4 slices of cake. How many calories are in 6 slices of cake? So what you need to do here, first you need to find the amount of calories in 1 slice of cake. Then we can find for 6 slices of cake. So let's find the unit rate, which will be 496 over 4, which is 124. What does that mean? It means in 1 slice of cake there are 124 calories. Then what we need to do? So for 6 slices of cake there are 124 times 6, which is 744 calories. Let's see another example. Car A travels 150 kilometers in 3 hours. Car B travels 220 kilometers in 4 hours. We assume that both cars travel at constant speeds. Which of the two cars travels faster? How will you find this one? Again, we have to find the unit rate for car A and the unit rate for car B. So let's do. For car A, the unit rate will be 150 over 3, which will be 50. What does that mean? It means 50 kilometers per hour. Now let's find the unit rate for B, which is 220 over 4, which is 55. That means 55 kilometers per hour. Now you need to compare the unit rates. Which one will be faster? 55 is more than 50. So car B has a higher unit rate, which means car B travels faster. Let's see what is complex fractions. Complex fractions means a fraction in which either numerator can be a fraction or denominator or both. To find the unit rate for a complex fraction, multiply numerator and denominator by the reciprocal of the denominator. What do you mean by reciprocal? It means you need to flip them. Let's see one question. Alia moves 1 over 6 acre in 1 over 4 hour. How many acres does Alia move per hour? So you need to find the unit rate. So you have to take it as a ratio or rate, which is 1 over 6 over 1 over 4. So you need to make the denominator 1. So you need to multiply numerator and denominator by the reciprocal of denominator, which means 1 over 6 times 4 over 1 over 1 over 4 times 4 over 1, which will be 4 over 6 over 1. Again, you can simplify 4 over 6, which will be 2 over 3. That means 2 over 3 acres per hour. Thank you for watching.